Hey, yes, sir. Good morning, everybody. Okay, got some good rest last night. Got some good rest. Woke up early, so we're ready to trade, man. We got some good news from the economic reports as far as jobs, unemployment rate. Everything's looking like really good for the economy. It's a little scary. I mean, for inflation, 'cause that probably means that they're gonna keep trying to push back from Washington towards trying to push back on inflation, trying to bring the economy back down. They're scared to go too far because it might cause a recession. Blah blah blah. Like if you're in the Discord, you can see the CNBC link talking about inflation that I posted. Um, but yeah. So since we just had the FOMC meeting yesterday, and then we have some good news coming out. Anyways, we have some good news coming. So I'm thinking we're going to be looking pretty good over the next couple days. Obviously, it's going to be choppy, until as we go through different reports. The pre-market's up like crazy, up $5 in the pre-market right now, $4 in the $3 in the pre-market right now. Um, let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, let's go to the 1 day on the SPY. Yeah, it's getting wild. It's gonna get wild, y'all. Apple beat earnings pretty good, pretty good. So, I mean, you see from yesterday, 166 to 170. Oof, like who knows? Who knows what that's gonna do. Let's go back to, hey yo, let's go back to earnings per share, $1.52. And so beat by like 9 cents. Beat revenue by like 2 billion. Let's see. Yeah, people were saying, I was seeing a lot of stuff where people were saying that if Apple had a bad earnings, that was going to be bad for like the whole market. We'll see how true that is, and you can't always listen to people on the internet. But yeah, we'll see how that plays out. But I feel pretty good about today, at least for the first few minutes. Um, I'm gonna be watching the charts. Gonna be seeing what the charts do. Gonna check SPY. Things are coming together here. So, it's kind of hard to say. Apple. Everything. Things are coming together here. Kind of hard to say. That's from last night. Microsoft. Yeah. I don't know if people might not be happy about Microsoft partnering with AMD. People were definitely happy about AMD partnering with Microsoft. Let's go back. Let's go to the Discord here. So, what were we talking about last night? We were having some good conversation last night. This is the inflation video. That's pretty interesting. Um, so we were looking at TSMC. This TSMC makes chips for Nvidia and AMD. They are the manufacturing company, uh, which is in Taiwan. And as you can see here, they're talking about China taking over Taiwan. So we'll see what happens there. TS. So the ticker symbol for the United States is TSM. Woo! All right. And then we you'll see here we were talking about the difference between AMD and NVIDIA. So AMD focuses on providing affordable, competitive solutions for like computing and server use, where NVIDIA focuses on high-end graphics and artificial intelligence. But we think, kind of based on the conversation here, the AMD is traditionally focused on central processing units for desktop and server computers, while NVIDIA specializes in graphics and has recently expanded into AI, self-driving cars. So I think the reason that Microsoft went with AMD over NVIDIA is just because AMD already has that processing, desktop and server use, where NVIDIA is just recently getting into this AI. So that, and then kind of what Zach was saying is that probably cheaper and easier to be mass produced for whatever reason, even though they have the same manufacturer. So I don't know if that's accurate. So overall, both companies are competitors in the semiconductor industry and have different market focuses, technological strengths, and revenue streams. So we're looking at AMD for central processing. Talking about running, and yeah, I saw a video. I can't remember where it was, where they were talking about combining multiple quantum computers to run a very high-powered AI, and AMD probably sounds like the best one for that if they're already there and they already have server capabilities and experience. This is the semiconductor stock that we were talking about. It's kind of beat down, which is only $10 over the last what is this, month or so, 6 weeks. Let's see what Elizabeth Warren's talking about.
Will let it go. The FDIC's deposit insurance fund needs a refill, and the big banks are set to foot the bill. Bloomberg reporting the US is, quote, poised to exempt smaller lenders from kicking in extra money, and it's set to saddle the biggest
bank situation is pretty shitty right now.
The most battered regional banks rebound in the pre-market. PacWest leading those names higher.
I don't even know
ugly week of losses.
I don't even know what's going to happen with the banks.
Well, it's a good question. At the very least, and I don't want
Okay,
to jinx anything,
so yeah, Apple
it may not be another working weekend for the FDIC in the world of financial regulation. We do see a rebound in some of these names we were worried
But
about.
looking at it,
Right now at 35%.
it's really hard to say. So let's pull up the news here from 1 hour ago. Okay, 2.2% in the pre-market. These analysts change their price targets to Apple following earnings announcement. 180, 180, Deutsche, 180, 195, 176, 185. Either way, all of these prices, I mean, we're at the 170 that they predicted. So, meh.
With the resolution of SVB and Signature Bank. So any institution with less than $10 billion in assets, we understand,
about 13 minutes away, yo.
That would apply to about 4,000
Fear and greed.
less than $50 billion may also avoid those fees. It does raise the question, though, John, of whether we will see broader reform to deposit insurance. The FDIC.
Yeah, so they're calling for, now how long that'll take to play out, nobody knows, right? But let's look at this. So
as to whether or not Congress would get behind that. Yes, Senator
take a look.
Would like to see that insurance cap raised, but even some of her fellow Democrats, like Senator Cortez Masto, expressed to me yesterday concern about the moral hazard. And Republicans I've spoken with don't like that idea very much, John.
Kelly, great coverage as always. Thank you. Back with us for a final word, Mohammed Al-Erin, Rick Reader, alongside him. Mohammed, first to you, you talked about containment.
So Apple's all-time high
right now for the stress we're witnessing over the last 6 weeks.
This January, a year ago.
What's different this time around is the institutions haven't allowed the adverse dynamics to build up momentum that come out. The second thing we need is quicker resolution, much better private
California
because it's in everybody's interest
has the
to get
Apple.
resolution quickly if needed.
Alright, I'm sorry. So Apple's located in California.
Somehow, and I really feel for Rick and my former colleagues at PIMCO, stabilize the front end of the curve. I don't know how they are navigating this incredible volatility. And then for later on, John, reforming deposit insurance. This is all doable, by the way. We just needed to get it done.
Navigating the turmoil, the volatility.
Goldman
I have
Sachs.
some sympathy for you. The 2 years 365 and a
Salt
high
Lake
of
City.
416. It's another big range again this week.
I used to live
How are you
there.
navigating that?
That was a fun place
Well,
for a
look forward
while.
to Saturday mornings.
A lot to do up there. People are
Listen,
kind of weird.
I think the way to
Uh,
do it is the markets are incredibly jumpy, they're incredibly illiquid. You get that ceiling. I mean, the only way that I've found it's been fruitful to do is just fade the extremes. I mean, the extremes
no.
you're seeing are intense. And I think the only way to do it is just go the other way where you get these extremes. Listen, we were on a call, we did a show last week, I think.
The
Jonathan, with,
future.
we're going to deep recession. I don't think that's right. I think the Fed still got to keep rates here for a
So
bit
there's a
of
lot
time.
going on. I mean,
Listen,
if that's the
you know,
case with
banking
them
system
beating
really
earnings,
improves in terms of regional small bank
I think you
center,
said it was
is
based
that
off
some of the
iPhone
rates have to come
sales,
down because you
and
got to
also getting
increase the
into the
price of your
banking
assets, you
sector.
reduce the cost of their liabilities. That's got to happen. My sense is that's not going to be the next few months. So, you
Feel
hide
pretty good
out.
about it.
We talked
It's
about
cooling off.
commercial paper, really front end stuff that you get. You get 6% now. Like how often in your career could you just sit back and clip 6 without taking commercial paper? The big companies that aren't threatening default in the
All right,
next month or
so
two.
where are we at? So where are we at here?
Let's
Let's take a look at
markets get outside
the
of the US.
factors
There's
we
some
like
things
to look
do.
at. So the
Listen, the dollar's not
RSI.
gonna appreciate like it did last year. There's some things to do, but you gotta be tactical as to when the markets seem to have these spikes of fear.
So, Rick, can you give me an example of that in the past week or so, when you've seen these big moves, where the Treasury market has been kicked around by what's happening in a couple of names, PacWest, Western Alliance? What are the kind of things you have done over the last few days?
So, John, I'll tell you, when you do things, you look really silly. I mean, so for example, the front end, the 2-year note, etc. It rallies, you sell some, it rallies again, and because you're doing these
Okay.
extremes and these fear moves. The first
So if the market opened right now,
for having made it, and then you do it again, and then
I wouldn't go all in, but I'll be in there for sure. So we're gonna see what it does in the next 10 minutes.
Have some fortitude around you're making the right decision around these extremes, but quite frankly, you try to do it in smaller size because the trends.
What do we got today? Nothing today.
Until you get news to the contrary.
Monday,
So,
PayPal, Western Digital,
try and find out, by the way,
EA
not just in
Sports.
rates.
It's in the game.
You think about the asset sales,
Okay.
mortgages, and other areas to try and be tactical and when
What
you
else
see
they
some
got
of those
going on
extremes,
today?
you hear
All right, let's.
rumors, there's some sales coming out. That's when you want to try and
Where's
take
the
advantage and buy some
where's
things.
the
But
regular?
it's very much like a counter trade. What is a jumpy, illiquid market.
It's been crazy, particularly the front end. Mohammed, you've covered that so
So,
well.
so all this has already come out. All this is already out. Good, good.
I've heard from a lot of
Oh.
quotes like this. This came from Cowan. We believe the banks are having their
Payroll.
GameStop-like moment where social
People
media
making
is
more
now
money.
defining
Oh
not
God.
just
Oh
approaches to
God.
assessing
So I mean that's
solvency.
good.
Truist said
I think
this
so. I think what
is
we've been
solvency
seeing is
is overdone as price action has been
future yield right outside payroll spread. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. All right. So futures are up. Payroll just destroyed previous, almost doubled. Well, no, not almost doubled, but added like 100. Added a lot to the previous. Just crushed the expectation. Unemployment rate going down 0.1%. Average hourly earnings up 0.2%. So this is good for the economy, bad for the inflation. But there again, that's what we've been seeing. We've been seeing these knee-jerk reactions. You know what I'm saying? That's directly based on the economy. Since the FOMC next meeting is a month away, it should be looking good. So, gosh, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm so sorry. We should be looking good for the next couple of days. I don't drink coffee because once I get up and at 'em, I'm a beast, boy. I'm running around getting every damn thing done. So if I drink coffee, I'll be ready to run through a wall. Hands are sweaty, mom spaghetti, you know what I mean? Freaking out. Let's see. AMD slowed off. Let's add to yourself. Alright, Kurt, y'all, you dummy. There we go. Okay. Let's see. TSM, 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 TSM. What the fuck? It's like, which one do you want at the top? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, see. It's starting to turn around right here. Come on, stop it. Which, I mean, we could. I could just buy. I mean, I guess, see. That's my bad. My bad. I could just buy it down a couple shares just to see what happens, you know? Let's see, buy quantities. It should go through. We will usually let you trade in the pre-market. If I remember correctly, I think you can trade as early as 7:30. I have to double check on that. Oh, duh! Not if it's a market order, you stupid bonehead. Has to be a limit order. $170.48. $170.48. So here. This is actually gonna be a good exercise. So I want to this if this goes through, it should go through. This will be a good example to show you guys how options compares. Let me show you how options compares to just like buying a share. So buying a share, that's your standard way of trading stocks. Yeah, I think AMD seeing some pullback from yesterday's massive run up. Bruh. All right. Here we go. 2 minutes. 2 minutes. 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. Amazon. Ew. Not a Microsoft. Took a shit. AMD's gonna be hard to say. It's gonna be hard to say what AMD does because of that huge pop they had yesterday. Let's minimize this MACD. It's taking up too much space in my life. Yeah, there's gonna be probably some consolidation, which I mean it's obviously consolidated overnight, but definitely hard to say. Hey yo, market's open. Alright, shit. Wasn't ready. Modify. Market. Run it. Okay. Ah! No! Options. Not today. Tomorrow or the 12th. Alright, so we're doing an Apple call for the 12th. 172. $1 up. It's going to have the best Greeks. We're going to buy that. Estimated premium. Damn. So let's go for 2 of those. Let's go. We're in there. Apple. Oh, God, yeah. No. It's going ham. What happened? What the fuck, man? What the fuck? Yeah, RSI immediately shot straight up. Bruh! Hello? Call him. Yeah, MACD going straight up. RSI is super high. Get off my screen. Bro, I swear to fucking God. All right, so you see, we actually got the. Let me make sure I'm unmuted. Okay, so if you see here, we actually got we bought a share before we bought the calls. The share is up 0.53%. The calls are up 10%. I was assuming it's going to keep going. So right now it's looking healthy. The RSI is so overbought, it's crazy. Um, how high can Apple go is the question. How high can you go? Let's see, is Google should be benefiting. Everybody should be benefiting this from what I've been hearing. SPY, 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 LP, Tesla.
Brutal stuff over the last couple of days, Casey. Wonderful, thank you. Let's turn back to the earnings. Two names, Lyft, Carvana. Lyft plunging after delivering a disappointing sales forecast. Carvana, on the other hand, expected to turn a profit following a strong Q1.
Can't even see the damn. Yeah, Apple's gonna keep going. I am concerned about the RSI, but I think we have enough momentum that it might like cool off for a second. But it's gonna keep pushing. Keep pushing, keep pushing, keep pushing. Alright, so let's go to Nvidia. I'm weary about Nvidia just because AMD kind of got the spotlight yesterday. AMD is probably going to be turning around here, so I'm not going to short them because that's just too risky right now. Google, looking a little sketch. Amazon, looking a little sketch. I think Tesla's a good play right now. Yeah, yes sir, yes sir. Alright, so let's go for Tesla. Going options, not today. Going for the 12th. Going for a call, $1 above call, expiring on the 12th. We're gonna buy. Do 2 of those while it's on a cool down and go. All right, so here we go. So if you're looking back again at Apple, once again, the stock is up 1%, but my option is up 28%. This is how you do it. This is how you do it. This is how you make the money fast. Because if you buy and hodl, you look at this, man. This is 30 times the return. 30 times the percentage. It's all a percentage game. Tesla's not. What are you doing, Tesla? All right. Let's watch Tesla, because golly, man, Apple's just rocketing. Still feel good about Apple. I still feel good about it. MACD's looking strong as ever. The 3 moving averages are strong as ever. Tesla's got the same momentum. We're pumping, baby. We're about to make some money. So far we're up $175. Now I won't answer when I call from the store phone, so I don't know what's going on with the phone. I've had Mary Adams call me 3 times about picking up some material.
Let's talk about the buyback plan as well. Another 90 billion, raising their dividend for an 11th year in a row. Can you frame down how powerful that is? I had one analyst say to me in Team yesterday that if you don't want the stock, Apple's going to buy it anyway. Is that how powerful that buyback plan is?
It is. Look, and I think right now it's a safety blanket stock in what's a shaky macro. And you're seeing that across big tech. And for Apple, you're seeing the further flexing of the muscles. Buyback, dividend, what's happening in China. And you really start to think about the environment here with services now starting to show an uptick on the App Store. If you think about the reasons not to own it, I get valuation as some continue to sort of some of the problems, given this is a stock.
Services came in a little bit lighter than expected, Dan.
Look at that. Look at this. All right, so it's turning around up here. It's turning around up here. It's turning around. Tesla. All right, all right, all right. I think we're about to see some cool off here. Yes, we are. So, what do we do? Do we take our money and run? Take our money and run. All right, let's go back. Apple. Holy cannolis! Look how high that RSI is. 50% gain on Apple. And that's it. Oh, I'm out. I'm out of here. Probably could have stayed in. But 50% gain. Yeah. Risk management. So look, the RSI is coming down. I think this is gonna cool off right now. So watch this. Looky, looky. Let's go back to trading view. Yep, perfect. I'm telling you, man, the trade masters for a reason. You see that. You see them. You see them. Let it cool off. Let it cool off. Because it's not done. I don't think it's done. Trade masters for a reason, son. Okay. Come on, drop it. Drop it down. Drop it down. Alright, I think we got some bottom here. I think we got some bottom here. We can change this to the 1 second. See what it's doing. Yep, I think it's about to pick back up, boys. I think it's about to pick back up, boys. Alright, so let's not waste our times. Let's get in while we can. I'm going for... No, I'm confused. Where are you? Alright, right here. Buy. I go with 2. We're missing it. Come on, take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. Take it. That's some bullshit. I hope you guys saw that. I'm trying here. Just missed a 40-cent swing. No big deal. It's that easy to miss your level. Honestly, I probably should have just not fucked with that trade. Nevertheless, we're in, and we're going back up. So let's go back to trading view. still looking strong. Don't sleep on it. The RSI is low. The MACD has not crossed. The 3 moving averages are still pointing straight up. We got a liquidity dump, so they dump money into it right there. We're looking good, y'all. I'm not getting out yet. Now if this. Oh no, Mr. Bill. Oh no. Oh boy. Oh boy. See, man. Damn, man. Damn it. Weeble messed me up, and I was too bloodthirsty for that. Dude, it wants to go up. It's gonna be the moment of truth right here. Don't you do it. Don't you do it. Let's go. 174. Let's go. Dude, it's gonna rip. It's gonna rip. AMD's pumping too. Apple's losing momentum. Alright, we're gonna cut the shit right here. No, that fast? Oh yeah, get out of that. We're getting out of that. Oh yeah, get out of that. Get out of Apple. Get out of Apple. Okay. Alright, let's jump into AMD. Everybody's going to AMD now, watch. Maybe not. Can't see anything. I don't trust AMD. Don't trust them. In fact, I'm gonna buy a put on it, boys. No, I'm not. No, I'm not. Everything's turning around. All right, here comes the cool off. Risk management, baby. Excuse me. Apple's consolidating. What's it gonna do though? Damn, man, I should have got that put through there. Ugh.
President Biden likes what he sees. This is what he tweets. Quote, that's 12.7 million jobs since I took office, an unemployment rate that is the lowest since 1969 and the highest share of working age people in the workforce since 2008. My plan to invest in America is working. AMA's joined us now in Washington for more. Morning, Anne-Marie.
Good morning, John. Well, it's an interesting one for the president because, of course, this is the first jobs report we had since he announced he's running for 2024. He's making his pitch once again for the American people. He's talking about the fact about we have this low unemployment rate since May of 1969, and of course, this massive beat on the payroll front. Of course, the president's not going to get into the nuance that you and I are going to do, which is, of course, the revisions of 149,000 jobs to the downside. But this is a strong report for them to tout. Some of these really incredible numbers in the jobs report. Of course, Jonathan, we have to remember 18 months away. That is when we have the next election, and Republicans are going to try to use the economy, most notably inflation, against this president. But expect more from him later today. He's gathering with his cabinet to talk about investing in America, and ahead of those comments about investing in America, what his cabinet and he is doing, he's going to talk about this jobs report.
Lots of nice things to say about the jobs market. I'd like to hear a whole lot more about what's happening with the financial system. Anne-Marie, thank you. Down in Washington for a final word, Anastasia Amoroso, my colleague's back with us. Anastasia, is there a good reason right now to buy regional banks?
All we need is this blue line to turn around. I still feel good about Apple. I just think it's cooling off. I think it's just cooling off right now. Oh shit, did that actually go through? Whoo! Let's get out of that. So, to retire trading stocks, you have to make $400 a day. Nobody's gonna start off doing that, right? So, if you see, if you heard me say risk management on the last one, I'm only putting up like 10% of my account. So, I'm not throwing Hail Marys, not YOLOing anything. I'm only putting up 10% of my account. So, if you look, all the options, I was only buying one or two, which the premium on those, here, I'll just show you options. So I'll just show you kind of how to buy these, like instead of just rushing through this. So this is the order book here. You can just place regular orders if you just want to buy a stock. This tells you if you want to buy, I don't even know what strategy means, but this is the symbol. You can buy or sell. You have to own to sell, obviously. This is the quantity. You can do it in dollars or percentages. That's how you change that. So, but that's shares. Then limit. So limit order is like a sniper. So limit order, that's you're purchasing exactly what the like if I put this in at 172.74, that order is only going to fill at 172.74. If I do a market order, it basically does like a range, like a shotgun. Like it gives you somewhere between, whatever it is currently. It could be 172.50 or 173.30. Who knows? But that's just kind of how market orders work. Basically, just say, get me in there at approximately the price it's at now. And then this is day. Pretty sure they're all going to be day. You can't do options in after hours. If you were to do wait, this is a standard call or this is a standard buy. I don't know. Can't speak to that. But time in force day. So that just says that you want us to go today. This says it will not process after hours. So that's a regular. That's, if you saw, that's what we did for the first. That was the first thing we bought that we only made like, 1% on. Couple bucks, literally like $2. Versus doing an option, which you would go to active trade. So you can do this or whatever. Buy one, buy 100, buy one at market price, buy 100 at bid price, sell one at market price, sell at ask price. So this is kind of the same thing. This is your limit order, whatever that limit order is. This is your market order, kind of general pricing. And then you have options. So the way the options are set up is these are all the expiration dates. So you have 100 contracts. So each option is for 100 contracts, and this is the expiration date. It expires May 5th, 2023. So this says that you have, it's like buying insurance for your stock. Is how somebody put it to me recently. Dixon, shout out to Dixon if you're watching. It's like buying insurance for your stock, but basically what that does is that gives you the right. This is a contract that says you can buy 100 shares of Apple at whatever, any of these prices. So you can buy 100 shares of Apple at $165 a share, regardless of what this number is. This could be 5,000 if you own these contracts. You have to have the money in your account to cover the actual purchase, which would be 100 times 165. Don't know what that equals out to. 100 times 165, 100 times 165. Yeah, you see, not the best at math. That's an easy math problem, I know, but I just don't have the patience to figure it out. 16K. So you need 16,000, to actually execute those contracts, but I don't ever do that, because these contracts have their own price, which is totally different from the price of the stock. And those prices are determined by the Greeks, which are, if you scroll over, these guys are right here: implied volatility, the delta, the gamma, and the theta. Now, if you've watched, I've done talked about these a couple times. Theta is the time decay, gamma is the sensitivity of the price to the implied volatility, and the delta is the measurement. Like it's how much the contract price fluctuates based on the price of the underlying asset, aka the actual stock price. That's hard to wrap your head around, I know. I would recommend you if you have any kind of AI, ChatGPT, I recommend you just go talk to ChatGPT and just ask. You can watch what the best way to really learn the Greeks is to pull up like a YouTube video on options on the Greeks, have ChatGPT open on the other side, and just while you're watching the video, if you get to a point that you don't understand, pause it, jump over to ChatGPT. Hey, what the heck does this mean? And that's really the best way to kind of learn anything right now, honestly. So, and then you can also practice. Shout out to Dixon again, it's my boy. Practice certain learning techniques. Closing your eyes for 10-15 seconds and just thinking about nothing while you're learning allows your brain to create new pathways and learn faster and stronger. Even at 34 years old, 35 years old, I've been learning at an incredible rate just by doing stuff like that. So that's how you do that. But so the middle is the stock price. So you can buy a call. Call means you think the price is going to go up. You can buy a put. Put means you think the price is going to go down. So the Greeks are higher the closer you are to the strike price. And you see these are it's like a proximity. It's a proximity thing. Which right at strike price, I'm not quite sure. I'm not quite sure what's going on there, but like usually the ones that are slightly in the money or slightly out of the money have higher sensitivity, which is higher gamma, higher delta, which causes the price, to have higher percentage gain or loss. But calls thinks it's going to go up, puts thinks it's going to go down. Middle price is the price. So currently Apple is trading at 173.24, 173.20, whatever. So you can buy a call for 175, or you can buy a put for 172. But I would never recommend buying a put that's like already in the money, because if it's already in the money, see what you want to do. Like we already classic scenario is buy red, sell green, right? So you buy when it's not in the money. So that's why you see me buying these 175 calls that are currently red. And then as this price, as this number, 173.10, as the underlying asset, as the stock price goes up, we get closer to the strike price, which causes this red to go green, at least in my case, $205. But it's all about timing. And, like we say, you got to watch the charts and all these things. But that's really it, man. Buy red, sell green. That simple. The hardest part is timing it out. So like right now, we're still in consolidation mode. I feel pretty good about today. I don't even really want to trade anymore. Like I was saying before I started going on about the options, in order to make 100K a year, you have to turn something like $400 a day. So that's gonna be tough, But if you start with like $1,000 and you manage your risk, you do $1,000 or $100 trades and just take your profit. It's gonna take some time. Once you get up to like 4K, all right. If you get your account to 4K, you can that's where you're at. That's kind of the sweet spot. If you're taking like 10%, 10%, 10%, 10% trades, so buying $400 options, running those up 50%, you're do that 1 or 2 times a day, and you see we've done that a couple times. Yesterday wasn't so good. Day before yesterday, today we had a decent. I can't see. That's what kills me. I wish like right here, like why doesn't it show me the percentage? Where's the percentage? You know what I mean? Weeble, where's the percentage? Um. So let's see. But that's basically how you do it, man. If you come on, get out of here. What is this? Five-day. So yeah, see, like this doesn't even show our gains from today. What the hell? Because we're up here now. So I guess this will populate tomorrow. Um, that's okay. This will populate tomorrow. Um, damn. But yeah, y'all. That's it. It doesn't have to be stressful. I mean, it can get stressful, but you don't want to really sit in front of the computer all day and stress your mind and soul. Read the news. Look for earnings. Wait a minute. Supply going down. Read the news. Read the earnings. Wake up. Prepare. Show up every day. Track your progress. SPY about to go. I think SPY is about to go up, yo. I got ADD if you can't tell. And I don't take any medicine for it. Same reason I don't drink coffee. Microsoft looking good. Microsoft looking real good. But yeah, show up every day. Do the research. Do the homework. Get involved. Join a Discord. Trade Masters Discord. So you have people to talk to who are also posting other stuff. And then I talk real quick about crypto, man. There's been a lot of buzz about crypto here lately. These Pepe, PP, whatever, Poo, Tatecoin, Pogi, Andrew Tate. I guess Andrew Tate has a crypto. I don't know, but on the Discord, kind of tells you how to buy these, how to use PancakeSwap, and Uniswap to get those done. We used to, whenever what was the Shiba? Um, what was there was a few other ones that were pretty hard to deal with. The only thing I'll say about these is be careful because what was it? I had Moon Coin, or I can't remember, Safe Moon. There was some weird ones that I actually got stuck with. I still have them because I don't know how to get them out. But that's what we need to see. All right, how to buy? Okay, how do you sell? Right, but we'll look into that. If anybody has any of that information, feel free to jump in there and share that knowledge with us. Otherwise, guys, I appreciate y'all. Thank you for watching. As always, I'm gonna be moving this thing to YouTube here in the near future, so be on the lookout for that. Once again, if you have any questions, let us know. We're on Facebook, Trade Masters. Yeah, Trade Masters Facebook, Trade Masters Discord, all that stuff. So you can hit us up anywhere. Definitely join the Discord. Link's gonna be on the screen here in just a minute. Otherwise, thank you guys again. Hope you have a great day. If you're still in the market, good luck. If you're out of the market, good job. Appreciate y'all again. Take care. See you later. Peace.